Children, now we will read the chapter, the EARTH, Earth and the Sky. The Earth and the Sky. Okay, now we will read the Earth, 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 the Earth. Okay, have you ever seen PICTURES pictures of our planet, 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 the Earth? Have you ever seen pictures of our planet, the Earth? This is what our planet, Earth, looks like from the sky. So children, have you ever seen pictures of our planet, the Earth? This is the picture of our planet Earth. It looks like this, okay? It looks like a big ball, isn't it? Now we will read. You must have seen buildings, buildings, trees, vehicles, vehicles around yourself. You must have seen buildings, trees, vehicles around yourself. Can you see any of those in this picture? So children, can you see any building or tree or vehicle in this picture? No, we cannot see. Now, you cannot see them in this picture. It is so because because this picture is taken from space, 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 and small objects, OBJECTS, objects cannot be seen from there. So children, can you see any building or tree or any vehicle in this picture? No, we cannot see because this picture is taken from space, SPACE, space. And what is space? So children, let me tell you all that. Our Earth is surrounded by a layer of gases. Can you see this white layer? This is called atmosphere. And out of atmosphere is space. This is space, okay? So this picture is taken from space and small objects cannot be seen from there, okay? I guess you all have understood. Now we will read. As you can see here, the earth is covered, COVERED, covered with land and water. Most of the earth is covered with water. Therefore, it is called the blue planet, PLANET, planet. Therefore, it is called the blue planet. So children, our earth is covered with land and water, okay? And most of the earth is covered with water. And the color of water seems blue, okay? That is why it is called blue planet. Can you see this blue part? This is all water and this is green and yellow part. This is land. Earth is one of the 8 planets that move, move around, around, around the sun. Earth is one of the 8 planets that move around the sun. The sun gives us light, 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 and HEAT, heat. We need to live on the earth. The sun gives us light and heat. We need to live on the earth. There is a LAYER, layer of air around the earth, which gives us OXYGEN, oxygen, to breathe, BREATHE, breathe. Okay, there is a layer of air around earth which gives us oxygen to breathe. So children, our Earth is one of the 8 planets that move around the sun, and we get heat and light from sun, which we need to live on the earth. And there is a layer of air around the earth which gives us oxygen to breathe, which we all need, like human and animals. Okay. Next, earth has air, water, heat and light, which are required, required for living, living. Therefore, our planet is a UNIQUE, unique planet. Earth is the only known planet to have life on it. That means, children, we all, like we human being, even animals and birds, we all need air, water and sunlight to survive, which we get on our planet Earth. Okay, and that is why it is called unique planet, because Earth is the only planet which has life on it. Okay, now Earth has plenty, plenty of resources, resources, resources. Earth has plenty of resources. Let us read. different, different kinds of trees and plants grow on land. An area that is thickly, thickly covered with trees is called a forest, forest, forest. An area that is thickly covered with trees is called a forest. So children, different types of trees and plants grow on land, and an area which is covered only with trees is called a forest. Okay, the forests are homes to many animals and birds. So children, we can see different types of trees and plants in the forest, and it is the place where different types of animals and birds they live. You can see in this picture there's elephant, deer, monkey, crow, owl, rabbit. So different types of animals and birds that live in the forest. It is their home. Okay. The part of the earth covered with water has oceans, oceans, seas, 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 rivers, lakes and ponds. This is a picture of a river and this is a picture of a lake. The water we drink, USUALLY, usually comes from rivers and lakes. So children, the most part of the earth is covered with water, has oceans, seas, rivers, lakes and ponds. And the water which we drink usually comes from rivers and lakes. Okay, now let us move to the next page. Let's read. The land on the earth is not the same everywhere. It is flat at some places. At some places it is raised, raised, raised. These raised parts of land are called hills, hills and mountains, mountains. These raised parts of land are called hills and mountains. So children, on the earth, the land is not the same everywhere. At some places it is flat and at some places it is raised. Can you see these parts? These are raised parts. Okay, and these raised parts are called hills and mountains. So children, hills are smaller than mountains. These are hills and these are mountains. And the peak of the mountains on the earth are covered with snow. Okay, now I hope you all have understood. And that's all for today. In the next class, we will read the rest part of this chapter. Okay, till then you have to read till here. Okay, God bless you children. Bye bye.